अस्सलामुअलैकुम व्यूअर्स, मेरा नाम है यासीन और आज हम पढ़ने वाले सेवन फिगर्स एजेंसी माइंडसेट फ्रॉम ए टू जी बाय हामिद महमूद। चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है नीच आइडियाज़। ऑन द अदर हैंड if your business acumen is your strength, think about a vertical or industry where you can leverage your expertise. Industries such as healthcare, fitness, fintech, real estate, or education offer opportunities for specialization. If you are opt for B2B focus, specializing in B2B lead generation would be an excellent choice. By helping your clients grow their business through lead generation, you may naturally by expand into providing additional digital service. For instance, if you serve a real estate marketing company, this could lead a broader service such as overall branding improvements, web design, software integrations for sales, funnels, search engine optimization, SEO, pay per click, PPC, advertising, newsletter automation, and more. For instance, if you choose a specialize as a web designer for a real estate industry, even though that might seems like a very narrow niche, you could potentially become a go-to web designer for real estate agencies and have opportunity to expand globally. This is because you would have mastered all intricacies and requirements involved in creating outstanding real estate websites, including their integration of complex modules that could be reused. Let's assume you are venturing multiple niche. You won't be able to focus on one or narrow down your portfolio, meaning you will become a jack of all trades and master of none. I made that mistake in my agencies, which led to a compromise on conversion rate. If focused on one niche or platform, one would be able to create a massive portfolio and be confident when acquiring clients, since they have done so many times in the past. Your clients would also have a lot reviews and work to reference in the past, adding unmatched value to your business. Focusing on a niche allows you to concentrate on perfecting your process, templates, response codes, snippets, themes, sales funnels, and more. This specialization enhances your credibility in the eyes of potential clients. For instance, my agency Software Pro primarily focused on software development. Our name alone convey our specialization, eliminating the need of lengthy explanation about our service. As a result, our conversion rates have seen a noticeable increase. I have talked about this aspect in detail in the previous chapter, so I will keep brief here. Self-awareness is an important aspect of personal and professional growth, and it's particularly crucial when selecting a niche. When you work on projects that align with your passions and strengths, you may more likely to excel. This can help you develop an innovative solution that set apart from the competition and generate more revenue for your agency. Working in an area that aligns with your value and personality makes you more likely to be satisfied. This can surely help you build successful and profitable business, but it can also be an enjoyable and meaningful process for you. Learn from your competitors. Learning from successful competitors is essential, while understanding your mistakes is valuable. Gleaning insight from your competitors' strategies and experience can be even more beneficial. This practice helps you avoid costly errors. Competition is what drives growth and innovation in any industry. It encourages companies to strive to be the best and find new and better way to meet the needs of their customers. Without competition, there would be a little motivation to improve Innovate or invest in research and development while choosing the niche you want your agency. You must check whether you have enough profit margins to make it work. Identifying your unique selling proposition USP.